Hey loves, in today's video I will be reviewing the UCANBE Belonging palette. To show you the versatility of this palette, I will be creating two looks. I purchased the UCANBE Belonging eyeshadow palette on Amazon for $9.99 plus free shipping with Amazon Prime. This palette consists of 21 shadows, with 7 being matte and the other 14 being shimmers. I am using my LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader to highlight my brow bone with the Amuse Cosmetics Smokey Eyes Single Shadow in Cream. Using my E.L.F. eye crease brush, I am applying Punk directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye. I am blending the shade Baja right above Punk using my Start Mini Blending Brush. I am using the LA Colors Pro Shadow Blender to remove the harsh line between those two shadows. I am taking the shade Breakaway on my AOA Studio E124 and highlighting my brow bone. I am taking the shade Wanderlust on my Remi Rose eyeshadow brush and applying it to the outer and inner thirds of my lid. I am filling in the center with the shade Ignite using the AOA Studio E113. To save time, I went ahead and applied the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black, as well as the AOA Studio Fat Lash Mascara off screen. Now I'm going to apply a new pair of lashes. They are by the brand Miss 3D, and these are their Miss 3D Makeup Glam lashes in the style MG07. I am using the AOA Studio E115 to apply the shade Good as Gone to my lower lash line. I am softening the edge of that shadow using the Colormates eyeshadow brush. I am lining my waterline with the Nicka K eye pencil in the shade Brown. I am taking the shade Stranded on my AOA Studio E124 and highlighting the inner corner of my eye. Look 1 is complete. So far, so good. I am loving this palette. The shades that I used were so buttery soft and easy to blend, and the shimmers applied very well wet to my lid, meaning that they did not end up drying up and flaking off. I'm starting off look number 2 with the shade Riff. I am applying it in and slightly above the crease of my eye using my E.L.F. eye crease brush. I am blending the edge of that shadow with the Ruby Kisses tapered eyeshadow brush. I am applying Wild Heart to the outer 2/3 of my lid using the AOA Studio E113. I am taking the shade Smog on my Remi Rose eyeshadow brush and applying it to the remainder of my lid. I am using the AOA Studio E124 to highlight my brow bone with Breakaway. I used the same eyeliner and mascara from look 1. Now I'm going to apply the I Envy Chic 3D lashes in the style 14. With the AOA Studio E115, I am applying Hell Ride to my lower lash line. I am using my Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush to blend out the edge of Hellride. I am lining my waterline with the Nicka K eye pencil in black. I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye with Big Sky using my Bazic Beauty small eyeshadow brush. Look number 2 is complete. I love that pop of blue in the inner corner. It really brings this makeup together. So far, I have used 12 out of the 21 shades available in the Belonging palette, and I am very happy to say that they are pretty consistent with the buttery soft, easy to blend texture and the amazing pigmentation. Now that the tutorials are complete, I'm going to give you my final thoughts on the UCANBE Belonging palette. This palette was so fun and easy to use. The 2 looks that I created came out perfectly. The pigmentation is great. I applied the mattes down and I was able to blend them out without the pigmentation fading away or getting patchy. The shimmers applied very well when wet. They did not dry out and crack. 21 shadows for $10 is an amazing deal when the quality of those shadows is this good. I definitely recommend you check this palette out. There will be a link to this palette at the top of the description. Thank you so much for stopping by and taking the time to watch my video. All of the products that I used will be listed in the description. Drop me a comment down below telling me what you thought, and until next time, bye loves!